Welcome to a day in my life, Coach PK. It was a Friday evening, and my son messaged me and said, "Dad, what are you doing on Sunday? Let's catch up." Which is very, very unusual. They have messaged me out of the blue. Not just that, we text message back and forth a few times. He was very talkative, more than usual anyway. It's usually he say hi dad and he's on his phone, when we catch up. But he wanted to catch up on Sunday. Not just any Sunday, it was Father's Day. So therefore, I think that's the main reason he wanted to catch up. So we plan to catch up on Sunday, which Father's Day, and decided to go to the chocolate factory up in Yarra Valley. I drove myself to his place, picked him up, was with my partner as well, and off we went. It was about 35-40 minutes drive. The weather was shocking. It was raining, it was windy, and it was cold. So we thought, well, it won't be busy. It will be, a few handful of people. We should have a lot of space and a lot of time to chat. But once we got there, out of my surprise, even though it was a bad weather, it was packed. The place was full of people, and people were all crowding up because nobody wanted to be out in the cold. It took us a few minutes on the line to get a seat, but we got a seat pretty quickly because we were happy to sit outside. The area where we were sitting was covered, but it was sort of outside. A lot of people preferred to be inside. They didn't want to be outside. So we did have people around us, but not as many people, and it was pretty pleasant. We had lunch, so I ordered a Parmigiana. So did my son. I am mentioning him as my son because he likes to be private. He doesn't really like to be on my videos. That's why I don't talk about him as much. But I won't put any photo or video of him on his video here or in the future because he just doesn't like it. He likes his privacy. We had a pleasant lunch, Parmigiana, and after the lunch, the weather didn't get much better. We tried to walk around the area just to have a look at the area, but it was not a good idea. So we decided to come back and sit where the restaurant was and had a bit more talking. And he was explaining me about his back injury. He's got a back spasm, so that's the reason he hasn't been playing lately. And I told him about my adventures. I've got a tournament coming up September 21st and 20th, Battle of Nations, and invited him if he wanted to come and have a look and check it out. He's more than welcome to come and check it out, that tournament. Talk a little bit more, and then we decided to leave. So we bought a few chocolates and presents from the area. We had a good look around the area. We saw where they actually make the chocolates because there's a massive window. You can actually see the kitchen from the shops are and from the restaurant. It was nice to see how clean and how hygienic orientated the workers there are. After that, we decided that it was time to leave. We sort of left and then came back and said, oh, this is a really nice area. I would like to make a drone video. I started my drone, I put it in the air, and even though my drone is pretty good, level 5 wind resistant, it had no match with the wind that was up in Yarra Valley. It got bumped around, pushed around. I had no choice but to bring the drone back in and land it, and then off we went. I drove him back to his house, say goodbye, I gave him a hug, he told me Happy Father's Day, and that's how I spent Father's Day, and that's another episode on the life of Coach PK. without basketball, without work, but still very enjoyable, very pleasant. And I really like this Father's Day, a special Father's Day for me. Most Father's Day I'm working, I'm refereeing, or I'm doing things. And this one I decided to take the day off and night off and just spend it with my son and my partner as well. And then after that, we decided to drop him off, came back home, had dinner, watched a bit movies, watched a couple of movies, and then went to sleep. I hope you enjoyed this quick vlog and also just explaining how my Sunday Father's Day was spent. And if you have, make sure to hit me up with a massive thumbs up. And also, I will never leave you dry. Make sure to watch this video over here because it's my latest video. And if you prefer, you can watch this video on this corner here, which is the video YouTube believe is better suitable for you. And if you haven't done so yet, hit me up in this corner here. So click on my face, click on subscribe button, and click on notification bell so you don't miss my very next video.